Hi, today we're going to see how to create an abstract lines background in Gimp. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new image. Go to File, New. The image width is 1920 and the height is 1080. Press OK. So for the layer, I'm going to leave it with the black color. So now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. So now I'm going to create a new layer. So click on this icon here. Go into fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now let's select the paths tool. So now I'm going to create a path. So I'm going to left click here and then here. And now I'm going to click here. So now I'm going to bring this handle here like this. And now I'm just going to get like this. So here it is. And now I'm going to stroke this path here. So click on this icon here, stroke path. I'm going to select the stroke line, solid color, line width is 3 pixels, and then click on stroke. So here it is. Now if you want to remove this path here, just select another tool. So I'm going to select the move tool. So here it is. And now we need to make selection here from our layer here, from our line here. Right click on the layer and then select alpha to selection. And now here, hold the control key and then press C to copy. So here copy pixels to the clipboard. So now let's remove the selection. Go to select, none. And now I don't need this layer anymore here. So I'm just going to delete it. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon here. Fill it with transparency. Press OK. And now let's select our brush tool, paintbrush tool. And now let's change the brush. Select the first one. So for example, if I left click here, this is the line I created before. So Control Z. So we need to reduce the spacing to around, for example, 3%, 5%, 1%. So I'm going to go with 3%. And the force also influence it. So I'm going to leave it with 100 and then try. So make sure you're on the new transparent layer we created. So here it is. And now Control Z to undo. So now I'm going to increase the size and then reduce the hardness. So here it is. And now, for example, you can also use the paths tool for that. So I'm going to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon, press OK. I'm going to hide the first one. So we're going to trace our path here with the settings of this brush here. Select the paths tool, going to left click here and then create a path. So here like this. Now click on stroke path. And now make sure to select the stroke with the paint tool and then select the paintbrush. It will take the settings of our paintbrush tool we used. So click on stroke. So here it is. Now let's show our previous layer. So for this one here, I'm just going to move it a little bit. So Control Z, I'm going to move the top one. I'm going to scale it up, I think. So here like this. Press enter. And now if you want to add some colors to it, so I'm going to create another transparent layer. Click on this icon, press OK. Change its layer mode to multiply. And now you can either use the brush or, for example, I'm going to use a gradient. Left click here. So I'm going to select this blue-green gradient. The shape is linear. And now I'm going to trace my gradient. So here it is. And now press enter. So here it is. That's how you can create an abstract lines background in Gimp. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.